How to change Walmart password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Walmart password. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for walmart.com. Make sure you are signed in, and now to change your password, go ahead and tap on your profile name on the top right of your screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, tap on the account option. Now, scroll down and under the Manage Account tab, you will see the Personal Info option. Tap on that. Scroll down again and now tap on the Edit button beside the Password tab. You will then be asked to enter your current password. So go ahead and enter your current password firstly and further enter your new password. Once entered, tap on the Save button, and with this your password in Walmart will be changed successfully. So this is how you can change Walmart password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.